Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon to you all, dear boys. Today in the subject science for grade 6, we are going to discuss from the lesson 2 plants for the pages 36 and 37. This lesson is from the chapter 1, that is classifying living things. So let's start the lesson with the learning objectives of the lesson. So here the learning objectives of the today's lesson is how do leaves function and what are the different parts of the leaf, and at the last we are going to see about the photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis, how the plant make their food through the process of photosynthesis that we are going to see here in the today's lesson. So let's continue with the lesson. This is your page number 36. What you see here, that is about the leaves and how do leaves function, different parts of the leaf that we are going to see here from this page. Also here you can see the process of photosynthesis on the page 37. So dear boys, as the importance of the plants, without plants life on earth it would not exist. Without plants life on the earth would not exist. So here, because the plants, they play a very important role, and as they produce the oxygen for our breathing, they renew the air, the source of food. Also the plants are the home for the wildlife and they beautify the surroundings. Also they furnish the building materials and the fuel. So here different parts of the plant where you can see the leaf plant, where different parts of the leaf. The first is about the apex, the tip of the leaf, we call it as the apex here, whereas the base of the leaf we call it as, which attach to the petiole. Here you can see in the picture for the petiole, and if petiole is absent, the base is it is directly attaches to the stem. Margin is the edge of the leaf. What you find the edges here, we are calling it as a margin. Epidermis, there are two kinds of epidermis you can see here, that is lower epidermis and upper epidermis. Also epidermis, we can say that it is the skin of leaf which is responsible for gas exchange, and the stomata here, so outside the layer of the leaf opening in epidermis where gas and water exchanges, there you find the stomata here in this. Also mesophyll, which is the middle layer of the leaf where photosynthesis takes place. Here also the photosynthesis is the important thing. With that, the morphology, which consists of leaf midrib, petiole and the leaf blade. A complete leaf can be founded in areca nut leaves, where there are so many forms of leaves: circular leaves, oval leaves, shield-shaped leaves, ribbon leaves. So these all the kinds of leaves you can find here. Here there are of two types of leaf, particularly simple leaves and the compound leaves. So simple leaves are the whole, or we can say that they are undivided kind of leaves growing from a bud on the stem, and the node is the part of the stem where leaves are attached. Where you will find that in the compound leaf, where they are divided into leaflets growing from one axillary bud on the stem. Also here you can see the different parts where you are finding the uppermost part here, that is the cuticle. The sunlight is falling on the leaf, and below the cuticle there is a upper epidermis, where below the upper epidermis you will find the chloroplast, and the lower epidermis also here is the guard cells. The air is entering from the lower side here. There is an opening here. You are finding here the opening where the air is entering, and also water and oxygen is exiting from there. This is the part where we call it as stomata, or we can call it as stoma, and this is the vein you can see here in the picture. So veins carry water and minerals to the leaf. The veins, they carry the food. The leaf makes to other parts of the plant. The blade is the main part of the leaf, whereas the petiole connects the leaf to the branch. So this is the part of the leaf, function of the leaf. As I told you, they carry very important function, that is photosynthesis. The broad flat surface increases surface area for light absorption, and here have systems to prevent water loss, that is of stomata open in day but close at the night, or when hot to conserve water. Waxy cuticle on the surface, you can see from these pictures where you are finding that these are the leaf of elephant ear plant. Also, the system of gas exchange allows carbon dioxide to get in and oxygen to go out of the leaf. So here, as I told you, the functions of leaf, the process of photosynthesis where plant make their own food, they absorb the sunlight through the leaf, also the carbon dioxide from the soil and water from the roots. They are making the food for the plant, and they are giving out oxygen and sugars in the process of photosynthesis. So here the chloroplast which is present here, and what is in chloroplast absorb light, and is the green pigment for plants are called chlorophyll, which are the important here to absorb the sunlight. Also here you can see the equation for the photosynthesis, where you can see the carbon dioxide from the air, water taken up by the roots, and the energy from the sunlight. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the process occurs and you get the carbohydrates and the oxygen. Whereas you can see the equation here for the photosynthesis. This is another kind of equation. So this is the process of photosynthesis where carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight with the chlorophyll, you are getting the sugar and oxygen. With this, I am going to conclude here the today's lesson. I'll be back with the new video. Till then, thank you and goodbye.